What is up, guys? How are we doing today? My name's Matt, and I'm going to be going over an Instagram giveaway that I actually won. So long story short, the company's name or the Instagram page is called Why Stay at Home. When they first started, they were at 500 followers. They're up to 4,000 already. And it's a really cool page. And they explore, so far, all the US. They try and spread hiking spots or just really nice scenic locations for photographers or any outdoor enthusiasts to go. So what this leads to, and this video leads to, is the giveaway. They actually sent me it right here. One of these companies called Oak Dweller. So this company, Oak Dweller, they were sponsoring the giveaway. And this is a 14-in-1 premium emergency survival kit. And it was pretty much just tag your friends and they're gonna do a random winner. And luckily I won. So let's go over what's inside the box. Let me just add to this right now. This video isn't a sponsorship, it's not an endorsement or anything like that. I genuinely won an Instagram giveaway. And I told them, I was like, hey man, look, I'll gladly do a review on it, make a little content, something different than what I usually post. And it helps them out and they help me out. So I got a thank you bonus card from Dwellers. And then this is the 14-in-1 survival kit, instructions manual. The items it comes with are as followed. The 14 emergency survival kit items consist of an LED flashlight, a folding knife, tactical pen. Let's see what's in it. This is the emergency blanket. They use these if you get cold or hypothermia to prevent it. It's a nice survival bracelet. Clip holder. Cool. Climbing clip. Oh, never mind. Specifically says not for climbing. Fire starter. Let's see if it works. It works. Here's a nice little compass clip. Oh, this is the wire saw, I'm guessing. Oh, that's pretty cool. So stainless steel. It's a little knife on the end. Clearly it's a saw. Nice little tool. This is the LED flashlight. Oof, doesn't come with batteries. I don't like that, but I can't complain. You can see the LED in there. It's nice though. It actually seems pretty well built. Has the company name on it, which is awesome. Oak Dwellers. I like that. So this is the knife. Made out of metal. Seems pretty nice. And here it is. Pretty awesome. A safety whistle. Let's hear it. Holy, my ears are actually ringing right now. This is pretty cool. It's a pen that's also a glass breaker. So if you're in the car or anything, you need to break some glass. Here we have some steel cable for either fishing or just using it as a safety, maybe a trap or something. So far so cool, I like it. I'm gonna lay everything out, let's check it out. I don't know how that angle was while I was shooting this, but I laid everything out for you guys. And this is the kit. I just looked it up online. It is $21 on Amazon. It actually has really good reviews. Here it is. So there's everything in it. It's priced at $20.95 if you have Prime. Quality kit, and I can't complain. I mean, I really appreciate it. This will be staying in my car at all times. You never know. Why Stay at Home? Awesome group, guys. Check them out. There's another giveaway. Definitely check them out, guys. Cool group. Constantly traveling around. I like the logo. I like everything about it. So I figured I'd make this because I won, and yeah, why not help everyone else out, you know? They helped me, or luckily I won. I don't really know how it worked, but I appreciate it, guys. So Why Stay Home, thank you very much. So thank you, guys. Hit that comment, like, subscribe. I know it's kind of a really off-topic video for my channel, but it is what it is. And almost at the 500 mark. Help me hit that, guys. But seriously, thanks, guys. See you later. Peace out.